Say cheese. Cheese. Woo. Okay, we're going to feed you. This is your first time eating real food. Let's see how it goes. Mommy's mixing it up over here. Little breast milk. Some rice cereal. You're very lucky. Looks tasty. Yeah, we could probably spackle the living room with it, but.
Yummy. Make it a little squishier.
It's gotta be squishy. What do you think, huh? Oh, big eyes. You have big eyes. You want to smile for us? You want to smile? You want to smile? What give you a smile? Okay, here it comes.
Try a little bit on the finger first.
Don't look at me.
What's that?
Yum.
What do you think?
Mmm,
What do you think? Good eye.
there we go. Yeah.
Should we try a little more?
That looks tasty.
Oh, my hand's gonna get into it.
Oh yeah.
Are you eating or are you rolling it out?
We'll see. Looks like stuff is coming back to it.
Okay, let's try a little on the spoon maybe.
I like the finger thing. That looked good.
Hard to get a good idea if she's actually eating it or just squishing it around.
Well, she's gonna have to learn how to squish it around and eat it. Yum! Looks yummy, doesn't it?
What do you think?
It's messy.
I don't know if any's going in or if it's just all around the outside.
Well, we'll see.
Here, let's try to